Software architect is the decision that we all wish to get it early at the design or at the development of a software. Today, Google or Facebook is very successful organizations because there is a very common understanding of the architectural design across the different stakeholders in their organizations. Architecture helps to develop a common understanding how how different software components work and meet the business goal of the organizations. A design document definitely helps to collaborate, definitely helps to communicate and bring a common understanding and share understanding so that a software can be designed and developed for the future and the immediate requirements. Of course, as we work along, we expect that architects should be stable, but it is not always possible. As the system evolves, there are some architectural changes that you need to adopt and move forward. Uh, there are primarily four main areas of at a high level as far as software architecture is concerned. One, a logical view, which gives the capability requirement uh, for the software. It talks about the business requirement. It talks about the different components that is required uh, to achieve that business goal. So logical view is more about from the capability perspective or requirement perspective. Next is the process view, again another major component which talks about how different components interact each others, how different business processes work each others, how the data flow communicate from one component to another, and so on and so forth. And third is again development view, which is very important. Talks more details from the programmer perspective. What are the technology component that we have identified? What are the different layers, application layer, database layer, middle layer, business layer, and so on and so forth, and how these different layers can be implemented through the different technologies stacks. And last but the not least is the deployment view, how uh, basically it's a topology of the software, how the different components at a high level work and serve the business purpose through the software. It talks about the hardware component, it talks about the software component, it talks about the security components, and overall the software is deployed and operated and productionized in the long run. So four view: one logical view, process view, and then third one is development view, and fourth one is deployment view. These four are the high level component as far as software architecture is concerned. If we start designing the software based on those four areas, probably we will reach to the goal uh, to make our software scalable, sustainable, of course more robust, and help to survive, help to attain your business goal and become more competitive in the market. So with this note, this is Nirpa Chetri signing out for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.